What's going on YouTube? Jeff EDC here, and tonight we're back at it with another knife. So tonight I got the Zero Tolerance 0470 to share with you guys. So what this is an upgraded version of the Kershaw Atmos. It's made by the KAI or Kai division of Kershaw Knives and ZT. And basically what they did is they took the Atmos, upgraded all the hardware, all the goodies, and made this bad boy in collaboration with Dmitry Sinkovich. So like I just said, this is a Dmitry Sinkovich designed knife. As you can see, it's got titanium handles, which they're bead blasted to create this look and texture. It looks really good. You have a marbled carbon fiber insert, which is pretty smooth, just very nice. An aluminum anodized black back spacer, titanium reversible pocket clip, left or right hand tip up. As you can see, beautiful action, very snappy. This is a drop point blade, and once again you can see it's two-toned. Up here, up to the swedge, you got this bead blasted blade with satin finish down on the grind. It is in CPM 20 CV steel. Got a pretty wicked low serial number there. It's manual opening with the flipper tab. And like I said, it's riding on them KVT ball bearings, so it just flies out of there. It's very smooth action. Very nice knife. So it is a titanium frame lock with a hardened steel insert. And as you can see, we're milled out there for some weight reduction. A little bit of skeletonization going on in there. So nice touch, nice feature. The action is just superb. Centering is pretty well dead on. It looks like it might be, yeah, it's pretty well dead on. Lockup is very well. There's, let's see, you're probably, get it to focus here. Probably about 20% lock up there. No blade play, no lock rock, nothing like that going on. Very solid design knife. Let's do some, let's get some specs here on it. So you got almost 4.5, probably 4.4 closed length. You got open, gonna be about about 7 3/4. Blade length, a little over 3 1/4. Do some cutting length here. Just shy of 3 1/2 cutting length. And we're gonna try something different tonight. We're gonna do a grip length. 1, 2, 3. Little over 3 1/2, probably about 3.6 inches grip length. see, where are my calipers at? Let me get my calipers here. Do the blade stock, handle width, all that fun stuff. So the blade stock is about 120 thousandths, 121 thousandths. And about 483 thousandths for the handle width. Uh, 3.28 ounces with grams, 93 grams. So just under 3.3 ounces. Super lightweight knife. Very, very nice. So let's get into the likes and dislikes. So one thing I really like about this knife is the action. The action on it, super smooth. Just like I say with just about every one of these ZTs, if they're riding on them KVT ball bearings, it's smooth. The looks of this thing, it has like a very elegant, very nice, just classy look. I mean, the marbled carbon fiber, the bead blasted titanium, the anode backspacer, and then the blade, the way they swedged it and two-toned it, it's beautiful. Once again, I'm a big fan of lightweight knives. I like how it rides in the pocket. It's very comfortable. You almost forget it's there. Like I said, 3.3 ounces for this size of knife is great. I mean, just they did a phenomenal job with the getting the weight and carry characteristics down to where it's comfortable and it's not bulky. It fits. You know, it fits when you carry it. It fits. My dislikes on this knife, that flipper tab, it's pretty rugged. That jimping is very aggressive. I don't know if you guys noticed, but a minute ago I broke my fingernail actually popping this guy open. It's pretty, after you do it a few times, it seems to loosen up. But for some reason, every now and then, you get a hard deployment, and you know it's pretty rough on the finger. The next thing would have to be when you hold this knife. I don't know if it's just me, but it wants to roll. It wants to roll inward in my right hand, and then left hand, not so bad, but just the way I grip it, it wants to roll. And like I said, that's 100% me, and that's just me nitpicking, trying to find stuff that I don't like about this knife, because there's not much. I mean, this is a ZT is rapidly becoming one of my favorites. They come out with something new all the time, and chances are I'm gonna buy it, and I'm gonna be happy with it. Most of the ZTs I've bought, I'm extremely happy with. Actually, to date, I can't really think of one that I didn't like. But that's my take on the 0470. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk at you guys later.